Hi everyone, take blue color of pipe cleaners, cut all of them and make small pieces. After this, we are going to put these small pieces on the top of this large one after another. Now hold it, bend all of them together and tie a knot like we are doing here. You can also color it like this and make more such flower petals. After this, we are also going to make a large flower. So similarly, we are going to put these pipe cleaners on one of them and look, it's ready. After making these two different types of flower petals, we are going to make these green shapes as well and put all the flower petals on this green color of stick. We are going to paste it using hot glue gun, paste some pearls and look, your flower stick is ready. We are going to take two different color of pipe cleaner, orange and yellow, put all of them together one over another and tie a knot like this. Pull it downwards and hold it from the top like this and look, your flower petal is ready. Now make more such flower petals and keep it aside. After this, take this orange color of pipe cleaner and we are using this fire and make a stick like this. Color it black, make more such flower sticks. We are going to combine this yellow pipe cleaner at the center, tie a knot like this and look, it's ready. Now paste all the pipe cleaners around it like this and look, your large flower is ready. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make a small flower petal as well using orange color of pipe cleaner. Make three such flower petals, combine them together on this stick and roll it using roller tape. Let's combine the green color of stick on the large flower and cover it using roller tape. Combine them and look, your flower is ready. So take these purple color of pipe cleaner, cut all of them. Now fold it like we're doing here. We are going to make the flower petals. So fold it like this, make more such flower petal. Now take this green color of pipe cleaner, fold it, roll it and look, it's ready. Now paste all the purple color of pipe cleaner around it. We can also color it like we're doing here using brush. Now take another pipe cleaner, fold it and cover it on the top using this green color of pipe cleaner. We are going to roll it. You can see we have to make 2 centimeter circle. Now we are going to put it under the flower. Now take another purple pipe cleaner, fold it like this. We are going to make a bird of the flower. So fold it like we are doing here, roll it using roller tape and look, it's ready. Now take another green color of pipe cleaner like this, fold it. We are going to make the leaves of the flower and look, it's ready. Let's combine all of them together on this green stick and cover it using roller tape. Put the leaves as well, bend all of them and look, your beautiful flowers are ready. In this video, we're going to make beautiful flowers using white color of pipe cleaners. Let's get started. First, we're going to fold this white color of pipe cleaner, twist it and make the flower petals. Open all the petals like this. After opening, you have to twist it like this and look, your flower is ready. Keep it aside. Now we are making a small yellow flower as well. Paste it on the top, roll it using roller tape and make more such flowers. Keep it aside. Now take another white color of pipe cleaner, fold it, twist it. We are going to make another petal here. So yeah, we are making the flower but cut the extra feathers and look, it's ready. We are also going to color it using brush, make more such birds as well and keep it aside as well. Now we are going to make the leaves for the flower using green color of pipe cleaner and look, it's ready. Now take a green stick, combine all the flowers, birds and these leaves together using roller tape, roll all of them and look, your beautiful flower stick is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.